The KEENSTAR 3.5-bar espresso machine is designed for coffee lovers who value convenience and efficiency, featuring an easy-to-use single switch knob and an innovative pause function. With its advanced heating technology, this espresso maker can brew up to 4 cups of rich coffee in just 2 minutes, ensuring a quick and satisfying start to your day. Equipped with an 800-watt steam wand, it creates creamy microfoam in 40 seconds, perfect for cappuccino and latte art enthusiasts. Its compact design, measuring 13.1 inches high, 7.7 inches wide, and 10 inches deep, allows it to fit seamlessly into any kitchen without sacrificing performance. The espresso machine's robust build and low noise operation make it an ideal choice for families, while its BPA-free construction ensures safe and healthy coffee preparation. Cleaning is made simple with the recommendation to clean the steam wand after every use, preventing any blockages and maintaining optimal performance.